The blue light that was recently captured in the New England skies on March 24th can easily be explained away, but there is something that transpired in 2009 in Norway that has still been a mystery today. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at both of these and see why people can get these two mixed up and confused. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So what you're seeing here is video footage of a blue spiral type phenomenon people saw in the skies yesterday, and a lot of people don't know what this is. I've seen this before, and you guys are tuning into the channel or kind of familiar with this, kind of know what this is. And this is basically nothing other than SpaceX. So just the other day, they did launch a rocket. I think it was the Falcon 9 rocket that they had launched. And if you guys are familiar with these launches from SpaceX, they launch these every several months or something like that. And what people are seeing is once the rocket gets to a certain point, it just basically detaches, and what you're seeing here is going to be part of, I think it's about 100 gallons of methane that's released from the object, and it comes spiraling down. So I get why people would think that this was something other than what it was if they saw it for the first time. But although people have seen this, there was something that transpired in Norway in 2009. So in 2009, Barack Obama was visiting Norway, and that morning, a lot of residents went out and they captured this footage you're seeing here. Now, it's very hard to find this information. This is all I have of is what I'm showing to you guys is this footage here. And then there's one more clip. Now, this happened over the Shoal military base, and it was reported that this was there for several minutes. And then towards the end, this created what they said looked like a black hole, and it disappeared. And I'm going to show that to you in just a minute. But this is why people would get that kind of confused. But this looks nothing like what, of course, they filmed with the SpaceX rocket. And look at that. It does look like a light is being projected from somewhere if you see that light to the far right. But I'm going to show you this clip here in just a second where you're going to see this spiral there. And I'll slow it down. I'm going to show you the original clip, then I'm going to zoom in on it, where you see it there, and then it looks like it just kind of disappears. Here it is when it kind of looks like it sucks into a black hole, is what people kind of reported that they saw with it. So here it is, zoomed in just a bit and slowed down so you guys can take a closer look at this. I know it's a little bit blurry and distorted, but look at that. When's the last time you've seen something like this? And no wonder it hasn't been made known to the public. And here it is again. I'm just going to slow it down a little bit more so you guys that analyze a little bit in depth can see what's going on with this. Now, I personally have never seen anything like this before, so when I saw this video footage, I was pretty amazed at it, and I wanted to definitely show it to you guys to get your opinion on it. So let me know down in the comments what you think about these. Of course, two totally different incidents. Of course, one can be identified and one can't. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Please share this with your friends, guys. If you heard anything else about any of these events, let me know. See you in the next video.